drifting on a wire. Sing the fire from your belly so small. Sound waves roll and the waves spread wide. You sing your song until it's 6 feet tall. Walking, stomping, stalking down the sidewalk, wearing clothes, standing side by side. Fly little songbirds on to the next stop. You sing your song, you look each other in the eye like who all can tell you not to sing your story? Who all can tell you that you're singing off key? You are the dance, you are not the dancer. You are the song, not the one who sing. Be a beautiful song, songbird. Now be a beautiful song, songbird. Now be a beautiful song, songbird. And you tell the truth. Man Trini got that wild imagination. He think they looking when he walk on by. He think the world is one big mirror. Him get upset and then he don't feel right when he walking, stomping, stalking down the sidewalk, sporting clothes, strutting stride by stride. I tell him, Trini, you are not what you consider. I stop him dead when I look him in the eye and say, who all can tell you not to sing your story? Who all can tell you that you're singing off key? You are the dance, you are not the dancer. You are the song, not the one who sing. Be a beautiful song, songbird. Now be a beautiful song, songbird, songbird. Now be a beautiful song, songbird. And you tell the truth. You get upset and then you don't feel right. You try to fly up straight and you fly up tight. We try to talk about life like it's all in advance. Life is the dancer, you are the dance. So be a beautiful song, songbird. Now be a beautiful song, songbird, songbird. Now be a beautiful song, songbird. And you tell the truth.